pursue a medical studies, medical graduation from United States, the number one state education hub in the world, most recognized degree across the globe. So this is Mukul Chimote. Today I'm going to share complete information about the DSMD program, that is MBBS program from United States. So stay there. Become a doctor from United States. So as all of you are aware that it is a most prestigious country and the degrees in the United States are globally recognized. Most research-based education. National Medical Commission directly accepts the graduates from United States and they can practice here in India. So basically, our academy is working since last 25 years, and we have a complete team of academicians with us, which will be guiding you to complete process, including the admission, mentoring part, each and every aspect of your medical career. So as far as the Indian admission scenario is concerned, in 2024, around 1,06,333 seats were there, and total around 23,33,297 student candidates appeared for NEET examination. Government seats are only 55,648, and as far as the private and deemed medical colleges are concerned, around 50,685 seats are there. So the average cost of medical education undergraduation in India is around 60 lakhs to 1.5 crore. And as far as the PG is concerned, it is at around 2.50 lakhs to 2.5 crore rupees. So that is a lot of cost is involved. And basically, as far as you will see the comparison of Indian mark system, number of merits for the rankings in 2023 and 2024, huge difference is there. So around 600, above 600, around 59,000 ranking difference was there between 2023 and 2024. So almost 80,000 students scored more than 600 marks. So all the government seats are gone. So this is a very, very important criteria you should take into the consideration. As far as the National Medical Commission Gazette notification, which is effective from 18th of November 2021 is concerned. So it is regarding the international medical education. So everybody should visit nmc.org website and they should go through it. So it is clearly mentioned that all the postgraduate medical qualification awarded by the medical school universities in UK, USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand shall be treated as recognized for enrollment as a medical practitioner in the concerned specialty in India. They will not have to give any type of licensing examination here. So what is this 18th November notification? What are the provisions given into that? So first of all, your medical, if you want to pursue your medical education from outside India, so the course duration should be minimum for 54 months, followed by 1 year of internship. Preferably, the course should be in English only, including the internship. Internship should be considered as an integral part of medical education. Then the third place is that from the place of education only, you have to take the internship from that college institution only. Third is your syllabus should match with the Indian syllabus. And the most important fourth provision is that these students should obtain a license to practice from the country of study. Means if the student is studying in Georgia or Russia like countries, he should have a valid license to practice there. He should be eligible to practice in that countries. Then only he is eligible to give the national exit or foreign medical graduate examination in India. So this is very, very important aspect of it. And after coming back to India, you will have to pass the licensing examination followed by 1 year of internship, and then only you will be eligible to practice in India. 5 countries are exempted: America, Australia, Canada, Great Britain, and New Zealand from all these provisions. So it is always advisable to go to the English-speaking countries and go to the USA like countries where you will be getting a globally valid degree and affordable education is also there. As if you will compare to complete undergraduation and PG cost in India as compared to the United States, so you will get a better value for money, means better quality of education. research-based education, globally valid degree, and PG is free of cost. Post-graduation in United States is without any fees. It is with $5,000 to $10,000 per month stipend. And patient diagnosis is the key. If you can diagnose the patient, you can treat the patient. This is the mool mantra of medical education worldwide. Hospital experience is the key for getting the success. So, 5 major points you should consider while choosing an international destination. One is you should follow the comply to the National Medical Commission regulations. It should be preferably an English-speaking country. Internship should also be in English, and it should be considered as an integral part of medical education. Country must provide license to practice and quality of the education considering the PG admissions. You should plan your career till the post-graduation part, not only the undergraduation. So these 5 countries are the preferable choices: USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Canada, as per the directives by the National Medical Commission. So why USA? First of all, because of the research-oriented education, quality education, huge funding and scholarship opportunities for the students. Admissions are totally based on merits. Majority Indian students opt due to the global acceptance as compared to the other countries. And of course, language is not a barrier there. So I will explain to you what are the pathways now available for you as far as the medical education in United States is concerned. So Indian student, first of all, he can go for Indian undergrad. He can either go to the government institution, private institution, and deemed universities. And after completion of the MBBS, you will either do the PG in India by doing the MD, MS, DNB programs, or you can go to the US like and UK like countries where you can pursue the free medical PG programs. Secondly, if you want to go internationally, so internationally also now a lot of opportunities are available. So if you are going for direct undergraduation to the United States for the pre-medical program, in United States, 4 years of pre-medical program is there. So after that, you can give the MCAT examination and go for the MD medicine program or Doctor of Osteopathy program, which will be followed by the USA residency program, which is after giving the USMLE step 1, step 2, you can go for the USA residency program, which is free program with $5,000 to $10,000 per month stipend to the students. Secondly, you can also do the pre-medical program in India, and which can be followed with an online prerequisite from the USA universities. And then after completion of the pre-medical program in India, you can go for a 2 to 3 years Master of Physician Associate program in United States, which will give you a license to practice in United States. The third is, after completion of pre-medical program either in United States or in India, you can go to the Philippines to complete your medical degree, which will be followed by medical PG from United States. Means Philippines can be used as a pathway to go to the United States, because once you get license to practice in United States, you can practice in India. The fourth is, if you complete the pre-medical either in India or either in United States, if you will directly go for it, after that, you can go for a dental, you can go for physiotherapy, you can go for nursing, you can go for medical technologies, you can go for biomedical engineering, microbiology, veterinary sciences. All these options are available to you by completing pre-medical either in United States or either in India. If you are doing it in India, the pre-medical, it can save a lot of cost to you. The fifth is, you can directly go after 12th for a 5 to 6 years of integrated program to United States, which is pre-PA followed by the PA program, which can get you the license to practice in United States as a physician associate program. A student can decide whether to go for MD, whether to go for Doctor of Osteopathy or PA, or any other streams, medical paramedical streams available after completion of the pre-medical program. That is the biggest advantage. And really, it is very, very valuable degree, great research oriented and education. Lot of scholarships are also available. So I explained to you, medical, 3 options are there in United States. In US, Bachelor of Sciences for 4 years, which will be followed by MCAT, and then you can go for MD, which will be followed by medical PG program after clearing the USMLE Step 1 and Step 2 examination. Option number 2 is do your pre-medical. After that, give the MCAT examination and you can go for a DO, Doctor of Osteopathy program. Both MD and DO can do the medical residency programs. Medical residency means medical PG programs in United States, pre-programs in United States with stipend. The third option is that you complete you can go for a integrated PA program of 5 to 6 years in United States directly after 12th. And the fourth option is that do your pre-medical in India and at an affordable cost. And many universities like Parul University, MIT Pune, Ferguson College will be launching this next year. DSC Pune will be launching these programs. So after completion of pre-medical in India, you can either do MD or DO or physician associate or any other paramedicals from United States at a very, very affordable price. So why not to take most recognized degree pathway and because in United States, even if you are paying for a UG part, if you are spending your money for 7 to 8 years in the UG part, you will be getting all your money back through the post graduation because in PG medical residency program is free PG with stipend of $5,000 to $10,000 per month. So you will be getting whatever investment you are doing at the UG level, you can get it back. You can repay the loans. You can plan your proper finances with a globally recognized degree. Even a chance to practice and license to practice and settle down in United States also by completing all the legal formalities. So really a number one pathway. So in the world, you should surely prefer this most safest option for the students. So in United States, 50% weightage for the academics, 25% weightage is for non-academics, and 25% weightage is for your standardized examination like SAT and ACT. So academics will include all your performances right from 8th, 9th, 10th. If you can give the advanced placement examination, not mandatory. It is generally in May. You can choose the subjects according to your career, and this can give you credit waivers. You can get into the top brass of universities and the top universities in the scholar batch, honors batches also. You can get the admits with lot of scholarships. Non-academics will include your sports, your arts, or all over social and environmental projects. You need to showcase that. And SAT is at a 1600 marks paper. If you can score 1400 plus marks, there are great chance of getting good scholarship. Lot of scholarships there. So even 60, 70, 80% scholarship, 90% scholarships are also available for the students. Essay writing is also very, very integral part of students' assessment evaluation. So basically, we have launched a great medical to save a lot of money of the students. We have launched specific pre-medical batch, means 4 years batch, pre-medical BS pre-medical batch, biotechnology honors batches at Paril University. This year we will be launching at MIT Pune and DSC Pune also. So here you can complete the pre-medical part, and after that you can go either for, after giving the MCAT examination, you can go either for MD, D or PA program in United States, followed by the PG. After MD and DO, you can give the USMLE Step 1, Step 2 and go for residency program. PA is a medical PG program. After that, you can do the research, fellowships, PhD programs or PA residency programs also. And after completion of pre-medical, there is a chance that you can go to the MD in Philippines, followed by the medical PG in United States. So this is the safest options available for the students, which is globally recognized options. You can surely think about going to the United States. Don't miss it. So a lot of scholarships are available in state and outstate fees. In-state fees is generally 50% less than the outstate fees. Research assistantship is also available. Project-based and industry-based competitions are there, which you can participate. You can work 20 hours in a week there to earn your living. Lot of bank loans, easy bank loans are available for the medical education also. Fee waiver is there. It is totally based on your academic part. So funding scholarship with in-state fees plus bank loans. So this can really make your education very, very affordable. So what we do, we evaluate the student profile and accordingly we completely help with the academic and non-academic profile evaluation, mentoring for the profile building, admission into the premier universities. We, at the top universities, we get you admit totally based on merits, guidance for the scholarships, help to prepare essays, resumes, statement of purposes, mentoring for standardized tests, handling complete admission process, visa assistance, robust documentation, personal assistant training, funding assistance also. Plus, we plan your career. We can guide you till the undergraduation, till the PG part in United States. So, thank you very much. You can contact on the given numbers 83903 45512 or 8208461316. So contact on these numbers, visit our websites and book your personal appointments with us, and then we can discuss your further medical career path ahead. Thank you very much. I'm sure you will get listen to this video and plan accordingly. Thank you very much.